So hello guys, welcome to Kotlin tutorial blog. Today we will be learning how to make a Kotlin if expression, or we can say how to use if statement in our Kotlin code. So before starting, you can say that the if expression is definitely helps us in those constructs which lets us simplify our task. Now what we do in the if expression is simply we just give a condition. After that, the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then it goes to the if code, otherwise it goes to the else code. So this was about if. Now we would be designing it practically. We would be opening the IntelliJ Studio. Yeah, we would be creating a new project, selecting Kotlin file, next, and would be naming it as say if demo. Just press finish. Yeah, it's building the project. Yeah, now we would be coming to source file, right clicking it and going to new Kotlin file or class. Here say we would name it as main. Yeah, the file has been made. Now in this we would be first writing the name of the function as fun main. In this we would be passing arguments and array of string type. Now in this we would be taking two variables as well, a equals 120 and well b equals say 20. Now we would be making an if block. This we have given in comment. Now we would be simply writing if a is greater than b, then say we give print a is greater. Now we would be going on to run this project main.kt file, that is Kotlin. Yes, so we can see it is showing a is greater. Now this was only if. We should always remember that whenever we give an if expression, that is returning value or assigning to a variable, then it also must have an else block. So we would just making an else. In this we would be say giving print b is greater. Now just we would be changing the values and would run again. Yeah, here we have seen b is greater. So how the code works here is it goes in this block and checks if a is greater than b. Now if a is 20 and b is 120, so this condition is false, so it would not go to if, it would goes to else, and else in this it has shown b is greater. In earlier what we have 120 here a and b 20. In this case it checked for this that if a is greater than b, that is 120 greater than 20. Yeah, it's true, so it just printed a is greater. So we would be keeping it till here only in this lecture, and in the next lecture we would be learning more concepts about Kotlin. So stay tuned. So thank you guys for watching this videos. Kindly like this video, comment on the video so that we can get more useful comments from your side and can improve ourselves, and share the video to your friends and to the people who you think it will help, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever we add a new video you are always there. And thanks for watching.